In this video, I will be showing you how to use Honeybook as a virtual assistant. For that, the process is very simple and easy. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So, I will provide the Honeybook link in the description below so you guys can check it out. So, without any wasting any further time, let's dive right into the video. So, what Honeybook actually do is it send invoices, it send contracts, it book and schedule, it automate workflows, track inquiries, manage projects, send forms and questionnaires, accept online payments. And if you're not sure about what you need Honeybook for, you can always get to the customer service helpline and they will sort things out for you. So there are different sort of pricing plans and features about it. So there are three different plans. Basically, it's yearly plans and monthly plans. And if you go for the monthly basis, the prices go a little bit higher. But if you select for the build per yearly, so the prices go down by minimal contracts. So for the starter pack, it gives you unlimited clients, projects, invoices and payments, proposal and contracts, calendar, all professional templates, client portals, basic reports, so includes all the features that is included in Starter. Plus, it gives you scheduler automations, QuickBook online integrations up to 2 team members, expense management, remove power by Honeybook, and standard reports, AI assistants, and with the premium package, you get unlimited team members, priority support, multiple companies, onboarding specialist, advanced post and AI assistant. And what features does they actually provide you is that they provide online payments automations, Honeybook AI, Honeybook Finance, online scheduling, online proposals, and then online contracts, online invoices. If I go to the online book AI, Honeybook AI, so we're gonna see what exactly Honeybook AI is and how it actually works. So stay tuned to get to know about it. So the best assistant you never hired, you're intuitive, 2 steps ahead, behind the scenes. AI assistants here to help you to do your work best. So, so it works like this. Priority lead notification. If you get the lead notification, then lead enrichment. Honeybook automatically gathered and added details about the contract to save your time and give you a more complete picture. Then meeting preparations, Honeybook will give you a special request and a project recap, upselling, and all the things you need to know before getting into a meeting with the client. So this is how you guys can use it. I hope you found this pretty helpful.